This means war. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then please do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe buttons down below. In today's video, we're going to put the American Express Platinum Card and the American Express Gold Card head to head and see which is the better fit for you. And we're going to do that by breaking this video down into 5 main sections. First, we're going to look at the sign-up bonuses on both cards. Now, of course, those can change over time and usually do very frequently throughout the year. So the bonus you see in this video may not be true a month or so later. Second, we'll compare how you can earn and redeem points with both cards. Third, we'll compare and contrast the main benefits. Fourth, we'll do a side-by-side comparison. And fifth, we'll see which one is best for you and which one you might want to get. Sound fair enough? Let's get right to it. It just so happens that I'm making this video with extremely high elevated sign-up bonuses on both cards right now in November 2020. For the Platinum card, there are a couple offers floating around at the moment. One, you might see 75,000 points. The other one could be 100,000 points. And there may even be some super highly targeted offers for 125,000 points. In any case, you'll spend $5,000 in the first 6 months of card membership to acquire those sign-up bonus points. In addition, you'll also earn 10 points per dollar at US gas stations and US supermarkets on up to $15,000 of combined spend during the first 6 months of card membership. That's totally insane because normally the Platinum card is 100% useless for everyday spend. But at least for 6 months, you'll be able to get a super high return on gas stations and supermarkets while using this card. Then on the Gold card, which already has some great point earning categories, you'll earn a one-time upfront 60,000 point sign-up bonus when you spend $4,000 in the first 6 months of card membership. Now, putting aside the temporary welcome bonus in those 10x categories, which only last for 6 months, let's see how you can earn and redeem points with the Platinum card normally. The Platinum card will allow you to earn 5 points per dollar on flights booked directly with the airlines or through Amex's Travel Portal at amextravel.com, and 5 points per dollar at hotels when you prepay them via the same portal, amextravel.com. You'll then earn 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $550. Yes, that fee is extremely high, but there are a lot of great benefits that can help you justify it. Keep watching. American Express membership rewards points can be redeemed in a lot of different ways, but the main 4 are transfer partners, the travel portal, gift cards, and cash back. Using transfer partners allows you to convert your Amex membership rewards points into airline miles of other partner programs. When you do so, the average value you may be able to get is about 2 cents per point. If you instead decide to redeem your points through the travel portal, which goes well beyond the amount of partners that Amex has, giving you a lot more flexibility, there are a couple different values for your points. If you use flights through the portal, they're about a penny a point. Or if you redeem for rental cars, hotels, vacation packages, or cruises, they're only 0.7 cents per point. Gift cards have a similar redemption value at about 0.7 cents per point, up to a penny a point or so on average. And redeeming points for cash back usually provides the worst value at 0.6 cents per point as a statement credit. And for that reason, I highly recommend you avoid that. Now let's go over the benefits of the American Express Platinum card. There are a ton of them, way more than can fit on this page. I did not include them all, but the main ones are featured on the screen here. First up is Uber rides with Platinum. There is a $200 per year credit, broken down to $15 per month and then $35 in December. You can use those funds to pay for your Uber rides or for food delivery via Uber Eats. Then there's an airline fee credit of $200 per year. You choose one airline to reimburse you for incidental charges like checked bag fees, lounge passes and memberships, in-flight purchases, and more. If you charge your application fee for global entry or TSA Pre-check, you will be reimbursed up to $100 for that every 4.5 years. Then there's a Shop Sats with Platinum benefit up to $100 per year. You get the first $50 credit from January through June, and then the second $50 credit July through December. Next up is the Global Lounge Collection, which gives you access to airport lounges well beyond any other travel card on the market right now. You'll be able to get into Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, Priority Pass lounges, escape lounges, and airspace lounges. Now looking at the right-hand side of your screen to the International Airline Program, it gives you access to lower fares than you could otherwise get elsewhere, up to 8 tickets per booking. The Hotel Collection gives you a $100 property credit and a room upgrade when available. The Fine Hotels and Resorts program takes that one step further and gives you a lot more benefits at super high tier properties. You'll receive what American Express calls an experience credit, which could also be a $100 property credit or maybe a third or fourth night free, some special benefit that usually varies from one property to the other, as well as a room upgrade when it's available, daily breakfast for 2 people, early check-in at 12 p.m., late checkout at 4 p.m., and free Wi-Fi access. You also receive elite status in various programs, including Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status, Hilton Honors Gold status, National Car Rental Emerald Club access, and more. And there are no foreign transaction fees on the Amex Platinum Card. Now let's see what the Gold Card has going on. When it comes to earning points, you'll receive 4 points per dollar at US supermarkets, up to $25,000 spent per year. 4 points per dollar on dining, 3 points per dollar on flights, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. The American Express Gold Card has an annual fee of $250. When you redeem points with your Amex Gold Card, you have access to the same methods as on the Platinum Card. You can use transfer partners, you can use the travel portal, gift cards, or redeem for cash back in the form of statement credit. All of the rates for your points are also identical. Now the benefits on the Amex Gold Card are quite different than those on the Platinum Card. A few of them do overlap, but the Gold Card is much more focused on food. You'll receive a dining credit up to $120 per year, broken down into $10 per month statement credits. And you'll receive those when you make purchases on Grubhub, Seamless, The Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Boxed, and Shake Shack. Next up is an airline fee credit of $100 per year, and that benefit, although it's been around for a while, is now coming to an end on December 31st, 2021. This credit works in the same way as does the $200 credit found on the Platinum Card. You choose one airline per year to be reimbursed for airline incidental charges like bag fees, lounge access, in-flight purchases, etc. Then there's a new benefit coming to the Amex Gold Card. It is the Uber Cash benefit, $120 per year, broken down into $10 per month. That's coming early 2021. And you'll be able to use that $10 monthly allowance toward Uber rides and on Uber Eats food delivery. You'll also receive access to the Hotel Collection, where you get a $100 property credit and a room upgrade when available. And again, there are no foreign transaction fees on the Gold Card. Now let's put these two cards side by side. Both of these sign-up bonuses are phenomenal. However, it's very clear that the winner here is the Amex Platinum Card for as long as this current limited time offer exists. The normal offer on the Platinum Card is about 60,000 membership rewards points, and the normal offer on the Gold Card is about 35,000 membership rewards points. Now, when we do a side-by-side comparison of these cards for points earning and redeeming capabilities, there are some pretty big differences here. On the earning side of the equation, the Platinum Card earns 5 points per dollar on flights and prepaid hotels, whereas the Gold Card earns 4 points per dollar on US supermarkets and dining, 3x on flights, 1x everywhere else. Also, staying with our theme of simplicity here for comparison purposes, I'm putting all the things that overlap in a similar color. So for the points earning category, you see both flights categories are in blue. That's just showing you that both cards earn point multipliers on flight purchases. And then on the redeeming side, that orange brown color shows you that all of those overlap as well. To keep things simple, put all your flights and prepaid hotels on the Platinum Card and all your food purchases on the Gold Card. And then on the redeeming side of the equation, both cards are completely equal. So no matter which airline you transfer to, or if you use the portal, you'll have the same options. Now, doing a side-by-side comparison of the benefits of both cards, there's also quite a bit difference here. The Platinum Card is much more geared toward travel benefits, whereas the Gold Card is much more geared toward dining and food benefits. The main areas of overlap are also in blue here. The Uber rides with Platinum, $200 per year, and the Uber Cash benefit on the Gold Card, $120 per year. Those function in the same way. They both give you monthly credits in the form of Uber Cash, the Platinum giving you $15 per month and $35 in December, the Gold Card giving you an even $10 per month, and those two can be combined. The two cards also have the Hotel Collection in common, and neither one charges you foreign transaction fees. So which of these two cards is best? Well, they both are, but for different reasons. The Platinum card is the clear winner for travel benefits. If you want lounge access, elite status, special upgrades, and perks of that nature, you definitely want to consider getting this card. But when it comes to earning points on everyday type spend, then the Gold card is the clear winner in that category. You'll be able to earn quickly at home on all of your food purchases, whether that's at a supermarket or at a restaurant or food delivery. Okay, cool, but which one should you get? You should get the Platinum card if you spend a lot on flights and prepaid hotels, desire travel rewards, travel frequently, and value elite travel benefits. But you should get the Gold card if you spend a lot at restaurants and grocery stores, still desire travel rewards, travel occasionally to frequently, and use Uber and Grubhub, etc. as part of those monthly credits. That said, you might want to consider getting both cards if you value elite travel benefits, spend a lot at restaurants and grocery stores, and desire travel rewards that can be pooled together. These two cards actually earn the same types of points. They're called membership rewards points. And the ones you earn on the Gold card and the ones you earn on the Platinum card can be pooled together into one account balance. So if you really want to accelerate your point earning capabilities, then having both cards working together could be a great fit. But don't get either card if you value cashback rewards. The one exception being the American Express Platinum card for Schwab. I did a separate video on the Schwab Platinum card, so if you'd like to learn more about that, I highly recommend you watch it and why it can be a great fit for cashback. And there you have it, the Platinum card for travel benefits, and really dramatic drop tests, and the Gold card for all things related to food, and some more drop tests. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. I'd also love to know which of these two cards you already have and what you like most about them. Let me know in those comments down below. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.